everybody. Today what we're going to do is we're going to make some sketchbooks, and I have a variety of sketchbooks here. I also have a bigger one too that you could make with just something as easy as a file folder, where you take some papers and staple them inside. And not only could it be a sketchbook, it could be a writing journal, it could be a certain character in your book. A lot of fun things you could do with it. So I can't wait to hear what you guys make. When we make ours today, it's going to be really basic like this. And I'm going to show you how to get those staples in so it really does seem more like a real deal sketchbook. Now this might seem a little plain, so if you have other things around your house like some tape perhaps, or you have some things around like some magazines to snazz it up a little bit, I'm going to show you how you can use those different ideas to make a very cool, unique sketchbook. So along with having some paper, you'll also need some staples. I'll show you how to get these little teeny staples out of the stapler safely. And we're going to need some kind of thumbtack, something with a little bit of a point to it. And also a flathead screwdriver. This is going to help us. You may need a grown-up to help you with the staplers today, but once you've got it down, it's going to be super easy to make, everyone. So let's be creative and we'll make some sketchbooks today. All right guys, so I've got 5 pieces of paper here, and we're going to do a taco fold or a book fold. So I'm lining up the edges best I can, pressing down, and I'll put it aside. I'm going to do each one individually. To get the staples out safely, everyone, open up your stapler however it opens and just squeeze it. There's 1, 2, I'm going to go for a third just in case. So now you'll be ready to use those. Next, I'm going to line these pages up one inside the other, just like this. I have my fold, my center line, laying them all in there. Now we're going to get into the staple part. So what I've got here is I'm going to take my staple that's just open. I'm going to get my thumbtack out, and I'm actually going to poke a hole with thumbtack like this. And I'm going to put that staple through those holes and press it in there. Line those babies up. There. Now I'm going to flip it over, lay it flat. If it's not perfectly in the fold, that's okay. I'm going to leave mine just like that, and I'm going to take my flathead here on this screwdriver and I'm going to just press it down. I don't know about you, but I don't have a super long stapler that I could sneak in like that. That would be pretty sweet, but I don't have it, so this is my next best thing. So I'm going to smush those down so they don't poke out, they don't hurt me. I use my finger on that one too, but this nice metal surface helps to really press it. Okay, so I've got one staple in. I need another one. So if you missed it, I'm going to show you one more time. I'm going to try to get more on my fold for this one. So I take my staple, kind of guesstimate where those 2 little holes are going to be. You could mark it with a pencil if you want to get real fancy. I'm just going to eyeball it and poke one hole through all those pages. Take that staple, line it up again over here, poke it, and then sneak it in there. Put them through both. Gotta keep at it here. It's messing with me. That's okay, we'll get it. Now I'm gonna press, flip it over, press that down. Now I'm gonna smoosh it.
smoosh down that staple. 2 should do it. If you really are into staples, you could do a ton, but I'm just gonna do 2. So now I have my basic book, but let's kick it up a notch. Look at there's my favorite animal, the sloth. I'm actually going to use this sloth as a cover for my sketchbook. This is an old calendar page I had, everybody. So what I'm going to do is use this right now as a pattern, trace it, and then cut it out with my scissors and glue it down.
So how to go with your sketchbook, everybody. Now you know the secret how you can get those staples in and make it feel like your own real special sketchbook or your own book for being creative. Speaking of creative, now that you know how to make them, you can make them in different sizes, use some scrap paper that's around. All these things were things I had around my house. So I hope you had fun with it. I'll give you some ideas and other videos of things you can put into Sketch. And a big shout out to my friends from Cheyenne. I was wearing my shirt from Will and Jacob. Thanks so much. I thought I'd wear it today. And my earrings too. They were from Grayson and Parker. So thanks so much, you guys. I miss you. And let's keep being creative.